Hello everyone, welcome to Victory Design Tech. Today we'll be talking about the top 5 competitors of Canva, alternative you can use for Canva. Canva has become one of the most popular design online tool out there, but it isn't the only option, and it has become this way because of the drag and drop system, ready to use template, and it's easy to use. But there are other options that you can choose out there, and we're going to list it out right now. So first, we'll be talking about Adobe Express, which was formerly known as Adobe Spark. This was created by Adobe, and these are the makers of Photoshop, Illustrators, and Premiere Pro. So first, we'll be talking about Adobe Express, which was formerly known as Adobe Spark. This was created by Adobe and the makers of Photoshop, Illustrators, and Premiere Pro. They are all professional level online design tools, but with the exception of Adobe Express. Adobe is one of the most simple online design tools out there to use. It's best for short videos, social media posts, and graphics. So let's move on to the second one, which is Visme. Visme focuses on infographics, data presentation, and data visualization. Unlike Canva, which is more general, Visme shines when it comes to reports, charts, and graphs, and it's great for businesses, educators, and marketers. And it's best for professionals who work with multiple data and want more advanced presentation. And that's it for Visme. Let's move on to the third one, which is Vista Create. This was formerly known as Trello. This looks and feels very similar to Canva. If you have used Canva before, you get to understand how Vista Create works perfectly. And that's it for Visme. Let's move on to the third one, which is Vista Create. This was formerly known as Trello, and this looks and feels very similar to Canva. If you've used Canva before, you instantly understand how Vista Create works. It has thousands of social media templates, ads, and for animation, and it's best used for small businesses and content creators. It has thousands of built-in templates for social media, ads, and animation, and it's best used for small businesses and content creators. And the fourth one, which is PictoChart. Just like Visme, it's focusing on infographics, data presentation, and reports. We all know Canva also does presentation, but PictoChart is more stronger in data-focused visuals. Unlike Canva, PictoChart isn't really about Instagram posts. It's built for businesses and education, and it's best used for educators and corporate teams. And the last but not the least, the fifth one, Figma. Figma is a professional level design tool mainly used for UI, UX, and prototyping. Unlike Canva, Figma is used to design websites, mobile apps, and software interfaces. And on Figma, teams can work on the same design, similar to how Google Docs works. In Figma, teams can work on the same design in real time, similar to how Google Docs works for writing. While Canva is great for marketing, Figma is essential for product design, and it's best for designers and teams who work on tech products. So while we've gone through everything, let's list them out again. 1, we have Adobe Press. 2, we have Visme. 3, we have Vista Create. 4, we have PictoChart. 5, we have Figma. So depending on your needs, social media, data, or professional design, you now know which alternative to choose for Canva. So depending on your needs, social media, data, or professional design, you now know the best alternative to Canva. And that's it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.